A very good morning, a very good afternoon, a very good evening, as well as a very good night to all the people who are watching to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. This is Gautam Pakrashi, and today, first things first, is we're gonna have a silence for 10 seconds for the people who have passed away due to this virus. So we're gonna start now. Yes, you can open your eyes, and thank you for praying with me as well. So, for this video is not a typical video about the protocols that we have been already been told about, like washing your hands and staying locked down inside your room, but this video is about like what to do with the built up energy that you're having right now within your body. So there are many different ways, and I have tried some few experiments within myself as well what to do with the energies. So I'll try to explain it all the way. Like there are very different points that you may never hear it from other people. So if you want to really know all the things, just stick with the video. Hey, this is Gautam Pakrashi and welcome back to my channel. And today we're going to talk about COVID-19 virus, and we're going to talk about the people like have been locked down all around the world. And I know the human, as the human have been locked down, the nature have been flourishing, coming back to herself. So we are not here about to talk about all these things, but we are here to talk about the energies that have been built up right now within our body, because we are not going outside. There are very less activities, so we do have the energy built up within ourselves. So I'm here. So what I am doing is like grounding is really important right now, as well as meditation, because this is the special time, I would say. This is almost, this quarantine thing is almost a special time for everyone to tap into their higher self, to connect with their self and think about, you know while meditating, think about the thoughts and what you want to do, really what you want to do with your life, and not what you want to do with your life. So first of all, I would like to point that this thing, the quarantine thing, is really special right now, because as I always say that keep your mind calm while meditating. So quarantine thing is really best, because as we are not going outside, there are very very less thoughts in our head. Okay, so maybe you will be like spending time with your family members or with your friends, few friends, in somehow, but it's not allowed. You quarantine, you just have to just stay in your house. But somehow, if you do that, but anyhow, you have very less thought rather than a very regular day when we were without the quarantine. So use this thing. So if you have very less thought, so you can get calmer in very much faster way. Try to do this right now, not right now, after completing this, try to meditate. Okay, and you will see that you will get calmer much more easily, because there's no thoughts coming from there, coming from job side, coming from friend side, coming from neighbor, etc., etc. So this is the plus point, that you can use it. And the energy thing, I would say, like, I am a night owl guy. So normally what happens is, like, I wake up, like, not wake up, yes, eventually I wake up by, like, somehow my night cycle always be like waking and doing some stuff. And daytime normally I sleep, not that much, but normally in daytime only I would get sleep somehow, some sleep. So I have seen, and I am doing this experiment within myself. So I would not force everyone to do it, but the thing is, like, I have tried to change my this cycle. because right now I feel like I know the night owl thing is really perfect, because the night is the time when you are really productive and you really have a calm environment. So this time I have tried to change it in a perfect, in a natural human cycle way, because that's the best thing you can ever do with, because it's also good for your body. So I tried to do it and it's working really perfectly. So this energy which have been built up right now is like, is been stored. So whenever I sleep, or at night, or wake up, there is a whole lot of energy within my body. So I'm trying to just push that cycle into the other way. So it's been like a week that I am doing this experiment within myself, and it's been to be honest, it's been working fine. And because I have been waking up at 4 o'clock and start doing meditation and everything. But as normal, I go to sleep these days by 10:30 or by 10 only. So we need time to sleep. And according to other things that I have been reading, according to 10 to 2 is the best time to sleep. And then we go to some different vibration states of the brain, which is much more better in the morning time. So according to that, I was reading all those stuff. So I'm going to do this. And this energy thing, I was adding this because of the energy thing, because normally I tried this before in a normal day when we have to go outside and do something, normal days. So it was not happening, because there was less energy, to be honest, because I was somehow just what do you say, using up my energy. So while this time in quarantine, so there is a buildup of energy that I'm using it right now to shift this night owl thing. So maybe you can try this night owl thing. I don't know, other people, uh, I don't know. So this is the thing, and we're gonna talk about the next thing. So as you know, the quarantine is happening. There will be very few people around the streets. So I'll request to all the subscribers and the viewers who are watching this video right now to feed the street animals even the least amount of food you can give to them. It's very important, because right now they are going hungry, starving, because there are very less people to feed them on the street. And by this you can help nature. It's a part of a nature, and we are also a nature. You're gaining good karmas, as well as you are giving the unconditional love. You also get the unconditional love from the animals. It's really important. And you can also help nature by doing gardening. Okay, it's gardening is also important, because it's a part of a nature. You get oxygen. The plants also have emotions within themselves. So it's also not easy to take care of plants, because you have to water them, and there are few specific plants you have to don't water them much, and there are few plants you have to water them daily. So you have to keep in mind, like, if you are not able to connect with other people, try to connect with the nature. Go deep into the nature. Try to help nature. Try to listen to the nature and get connect with the nature. So these are my tips to how to use your energy during the quarantine. And I'm really sorry, because I have not been uploading video, and I know every time I say sorry, but this time what happened is, like, I was having jaundice. So after recovering from the jaundice, I am here and giving and helping out other people to how to use energy, the built up energies during the quarantine. So I hope you like the video. If you like it, do give a thumbs up, subscribe it, and share it. Till then, take care, wash your hand, do follow the protocols, and I hope everyone stays safe. Bye bye.